Very good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's edition of The Bottom Line. Here are the top headlines of the day. Odisha relaxes mandatory quarantine rules for visitors from West Bengal. Kuwait suspends all commercial flights from India due to COVID 19. Puri's Lord Jagannath Temple to remain closed for devotees till 15th May. United Airlines resume flights to Delhi. Singapore bars long term pass holders, visitors travelling from India amid COVID's hurt. Israel gears up to reopen tourism next month after COVID 19 lockdown. The Odisha government has relaxed the mandatory 14-day quarantine norm for those who are travelling from West Bengal on election duty or for a COVID related emergency. People coming from the neighbouring states for emergency work related to COVID 19 management and in connection with election duty shall be exempted from the compulsory 14-day quarantine protocol, the fresh order said. Kuwait has suspended all direct commercial flights from India until further notice due to the worsening COVID 19 situation in the country. The move came after instructions from health authorities. Kuwait's Directorate General of Civil Aviation said that it had suspended all direct commercial flights coming from India effective April 24th. All passengers arriving from India either directly or via another country will be banned from entering unless they have spent at least 14 days out of India, it said in a statement on Twitter. The Sri Jagannath Temple administration has decided to stop the entry of devotees into the shrine till May 15th. Chief Administrator Krishnan Kumar said, after chairing a meeting attended by representatives of temple servitors, the Puri District Collector and Superintendent of Police and other stakeholders. The grave challenge posed by COVID 19 was discussed in detail. All were of the unanimous view that necessary steps must be taken to ensure continuity of the Niti Kanti of Mahaprabhu Sri Jagannath, Kumar said. That's all we have for you in today's edition of The Bottom Line. For more such travel industry updates, stay tuned till tomorrow. Have a great day ahead.